Hey y'all, CooptyLew here, and I am unboxing the Jonasa Jaus tarot and the new tarot by her called the Stunning Tarot. And I figured I'd do them together because I got them together, and it's been a long time that I've been trying to get a hold of Jonasa Jaus. So, this is the box. These cards are long. Let's check them out. Put that to the side here. And they are in French, I believe. But here is a quick walkthrough of the Jonasa Jaus tarot. Let me show you the backs. All right. I really love it. It's very different. And this is the Wheel of Fortune. Justice, I believe. The Hanged Man. The Devil. Temperance. Oh, the other one was Death. Yes, Death. And there's the Devil. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. The World. I'm not sure which suit is which, so I'm just going to go ahead and go through them. Oros. These are cups. 5 of Cups. 6 of Cups. 7 of Cups, 8 of Cups, 9 of Cups, 10, and then I'm assuming that we have the Page, the Knight, the Queen, and maybe it was backwards. Sorry, I don't speak French, unfortunately, because I would actually love to. I think that would be wonderful. All right, these are the wands. The Ace. 2, 3, 4, 5 of Wands, 6 of Wands, 7 of Wands, 8 of Wands, 9 of Wands, and the 10 of Wands. And then we have, I believe this is the Queen and the King, and then maybe the Page and the Knight. I don't know. Oh, I was wrong about the cups. Those were not the cups. I have no clue what those were. Maybe the Pentacles. They were green. All right, so Ace. 2, 3, 4 of Cups, 5 of Cups. 10 of Cups, and then Page, Knight. No, I think that's got to be the Knight, so have no clue, but here they are. And then we have the espadas, so swords. Yeah, the first one was the pentacles, so ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the court cards. All right, then we're going to go ahead and look at the Stunning Tarot. So here is the box for the Stunning Tarot. I have not seen this yet. I have not looked through it. I ordered this, and I guess that her website took so many orders on the day that I ordered it that she had to return money and refund because she ran out and she couldn't fulfill the order. And I was sad. So these are the backs. And then I guess she refilled the shop, and I got to order it. So where's the Fool? Maybe it's at the back. So here we go. Magician, High Priestess. I don't really want to put them on top of those ones, actually. The Empress, Emperor. It's a lot of red. Hierophant, Lovers. Ooh, I like that Lovers card. That's beautiful. The Chariot, Justice. Hermit, Strength. The Hangman is really cool too. Temperance. The Devil's scary. The Tower's cool. Look at that. Look at that Tower card. The Star. The Moon. The Sun and Judgment. And we have the World. All right, so this is, oh, there's the Fool. Cool. All right, I'm just gonna go through the suits real quick. So we got Pentacles first. They're all yellow. Oops, I skipped one. The 8. Page, Knight, Queen, and the Warrior of Pentacles. Cool. All right, now we got purple for the Wands. To cast a shadow. I'm using window light today. Makes all the difference in the world when it comes to glare and everything looking yellow, which I hate. These look beautiful. It's an interesting deck. All right, then we have Cups. I like that 3 of Cups. Seven Cups is interesting too. The Page, the King, the Queen, and the Warrior. Okay, now we have Swords. They're hard to see when it's just the red with the black line. Ten of Cups card. The Page of Swords, the King, the Queen is cool, and